Coucou mes amis, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lovett P. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. On this page, on this YouTube, we do makeup and hair. So guys, let me show you how I install my old wig. So first of all, I use gel to style my hair, to style my hair back so that I will get a flat front side, flat hair, so that my hair will not be cut. Yeah. After that, I use a net. Make sure that you use your lace net to any type of net you have. This net is HD net. Use it to cover your hair, to protect your hair because of the bond. After that, I use my bad head spray to gum it round, to make sure that the glue that I'm going to use is not going to remove my front hair. Yeah. After that, use your spray to spray it so that it should be dry, and use scissors to remove a little bit, to remove not a little bit, to remove it round. Yes guys, please don't be annoyed because of my voice record, because I'm just learning. I'm a new YouTuber. Yeah, to be a YouTuber is not a day job. It's not really easy. Please watch my video and share my video. You will learn a lot on my page. You will learn a lot on my YouTube. This video is a full makeup, is a full frontal wig, and there's no fast forward on this video like that, not too much. After that, I use your foundation to add your skin shade, because this is my foundation I use on my face. This is my skin tone, my skin color, and I put the wig on your hair. Use your comb to brush it back. Make sure that you arrange it on your head so that it will be equal. Everything will be equal on it. And take back the wig, the hair back a little bit. Use your glue, any type of glue you have, you can use it. Okay, just use don't pack it too much, so that your net will, because when it's too much, you pack a lot. If the glue is too much on your hair, I swear your wig will be rough for the front. You just be rough. Add a little one. This glue, I make sure that this is the second time of putting it, and dry it the same time to make my wig to last for 1 week, because I always take my wig for 5 days to 1 week, 5 days to 7 days. That is how I use my wig. I use any spray you have. This is airborne. Any spray you have, you can use it anyway. You can use any type of spray you have. You can use it, guys. That is it. Thank you guys for watching my video, for liking my video, and may God continue to bless you all. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video, share. You will learn a lot on my video. You will learn a lot on my YouTube. I do makeup and I do hair. This is setting lace matte wig setting spray. Is going to dissolve the glue and bring lace the glue very well, the lace frontal very well. Everything will be flat. That is the reason it's very important to use that spray. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please, I'm a new YouTuber, oncoming YouTuber. Please do not mind my voice, and do not mind my voice record. Please subscribe to my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all, and may God continue to bless you all. Bye bye.